Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you from July 10th to July 20th. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Leos. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Guidance for the angels for you. Let's come out. Okay, 2 cards have flipped out. 3. God, message from the universe for Leos. So Leos, you've been having a lot of anxiety over some issue. There has been a situation which has caused you a lot of anxiety, a lot of tension, and there is a lot of healing going on. Okay, a lot of overthinking, a lot of anxiety, a lot of loss of sleep is there. And the thing is that you have just left the situation now and you are just trying to heal. You just want to come out of this situation and you want those happy times back, because in this situation you are. But what I'm getting here is with the 5 of Pentacles, that though you are hurt and you are feeling anxious about a situation, but since you are focusing on yourself, setting your own goals, you want to heal, and that's what you're doing. So you are slowly but surely coming out of it. You are coming out of it, though you are feeling bad, you are hurt, you feel rejected, ignored, whatever the situation was, but you are healing and you are coming out of it. And followed by here is the 10 of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the Knight of Pentacles. So you are slowly and surely, as I said, you are coming out of that situation and moving towards a very beautiful new beginning. Now whatever this new beginning is for you, it can be an opportunity, it can be a relationship, but the thing is, it is definitely good. It is going to give you a lot of emotional and satisfaction and stability, and you are moving slowly but surely towards it with the Page of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles. The movement here is very slow though, but it is there, it is there. Things are there in your vicinity, you are moving, and this slowness is perhaps because of the fact that you don't you have already suffered a setback. You have those, you are now wiser after you have suffered this setback. So now you are wiser, you want to take a slow move, and that's what you are doing. But you are slowly and surely moving towards your 10 of Cups. You are moving towards emotional and satisfaction and your stability. Okay, and it can be it can be a family for some of you, for those of you who are dealing in a with a relationship. Okay, and here with the Emperor and with the Queen of Cups, what I see here is you are taking your power back. You are definitely taking your power back. You are sort of you know how to manage your emotions. That's what I'm getting. You are taking back the control. You know how to manage your emotions. You're taking back your uh, self-worth. It's all about self-worth. That's what I'm getting. So you're taking the control back, though there are certain times when you still feel conflicted, you still feel you have those memories whatever you have suffered. But though there are such times in which you do have a tough time sometimes. But what I feel is, because that is because of the lingering energy of the past. But what I get here is that you are taking your control back again. Here with the Queen of Diamonds, a lot of healing is going on. You are totally focusing on yourself, perhaps praying, meditating, whatever you are doing, but definitely a lot of healing is going on, and it is advisable for you. Okay, and you are taking your power back. With the Two of Thought, your angels have noticed that you are not moving forward. You have multiple options that you are reviewing, and you seem to be unable to choose. Ask your angels for the signs as to what direction to take, or just listen to your inner voice. Deep down, you know what to do. So, as you are moving slowly but surely, as I said, and that is a move which one takes, and you are taking because you don't want that those bad experiences once again. So, in that case, if you feel that you need some help, you need to take the guidance. You are reviewing, and that's what is the very right thing to do. If you feel that you need to take some help, you should take that help. That is the guidance which is coming for you. And here also, demonstrate love. Find out what is important for those you love and act on it, and ask for help. Do what you really need. Be willing to accept support. So again, if you need help, you should go in and talk to your trustworthy friends, your parents, whosoever they are. And you need, if you want, you can take the help, and you need to be in a positive space. If you demonstrate love, if you want love, you have to be loving. It's talking about that. So don't be in a negative space of mind. Don't be negative. Don't just keep on thinking, I have suffered like this, and I can't get my happiness back. You can surely get your happiness back, and you are on the path of happiness. Okay, so Leos, it's a good energy. That's what I would like to say. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.